aliens have not landed at SEMA, but yes, this is a very different build from much of what else we're finding here at the show. I'm here with Nate Tovey with Tremec. Nate, I see the car behind you. I know you guys build transmissions, but why are we here?
A lot of people know us, John, from Mustang, Camaro, muscle car, late model stuff. We caught wind of the Cosmic Outcast here a few shows back, and we worked with Hot Rod Chassis and Cycle in the past on a few different projects like the Ray Bestis GTOR. Endlessly thrilled with the work they do. I mean, you gotta love this thing. It looks like something that came right out of Big Daddy Ross Nightmares, right? It's cool. It's very original. And really speaks well to the diversity, the flexibility of our product. As we get ready to celebrate our 50th anniversary in 2014, I couldn't think of a better way to jump into it than with something with some real old school traditional flavor.
Yeah, some real old school traditional flavor, but kind of a futuristic look. And we're going to go meet with Kevin Tully, the builder of this car, to find out what all's going on underneath. And I'm now joined by one of the men behind the Cosmic Outcast. This is Kevin Tully. Kevin, this is an unreal build. Tell me a little bit about what's going on inside this rig.
Our customer, Tim Grant, came into the shop and he said, look, I'd like to have a hot rod. And I said, okay, what are you looking for? He said, it has to be a pickup truck, it has to have a blower, and it has to be unlike anything I've ever seen before and will ever see again. I said, I can do that.
Yeah, I think you nailed it. What's going on inside?
So we started out with a 371 Olds Rocket. We stroked that. It's got a 671 blower on it and 6 Holly 94 carburetors. We used a Tremec TKO 600 behind that off an adapter plate. And then it's got a 4.9-inch rear end in it.
Very cool. Now, we want to learn a little bit more about that TKO 600 you've got up front. Why'd you choose it?
We use the majority of the hot rods we build, and actually a lot of the race cars we build too. We use Tremec transmissions almost exclusively. The TKO 600 has got just a wonderful variety of options you can order it with. It's got 3 shifter locations. You can get a mechanical or electronic speedometer in it. There's 2 input shaft lengths you can use. There's at least that I know of 4 bell housing bolt patterns you can order it with. So the versatility to use it behind almost any engine and in any configuration really speaks to the guy building a hot rod. And as a matter of fact, Tremec has built me a couple of transmissions that had like the Muncie bolt pattern, but with a Ford input shaft length. So it's a very versatile transmission. The big thing that I like is I have some notoriety for saying that when I give a customer a vehicle, I've put it through its paces, as it were. I'm a firm believer that if I can't break it, neither can the customer. And of course, we want to stand behind our quality. And the last thing you want to do is build a 600 horsepower blown Olds motor and have the customer go out and do a pole shot next to a Honda Civic and break the transmission. And I don't ever have to worry about that with a Tremec.
All right, Kevin, well, thanks for sharing a little bit more with us about the Cosmic Outcast. We're here at SEMA 2013 with Power Automedia.